Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sweet tea and Olive Garden-style salad dressing. We'll cover everything you need to know to prepare these popular items with ease. You'll be surprised how simple it is to bring these delicious flavors into your home. Whether you're craving a cool drink or a zesty dressing, this guide has you covered. Let's dive right in. Making sweet tea is straightforward. First, boil 2 cups of water, then add 4 to 6 black tea bags and steep for 5 minutes. Remove the tea bags, then stir in 1 full cup of granulated sugar until it completely dissolves. Finally, add 2 more cups of cold water to the mixture. Give it a good stir, then chill your sweet tea thoroughly in the refrigerator before serving over ice for a perfectly refreshing beverage. Next, let's tackle that iconic Olive Garden-style salad dressing. This recipe allows you to enjoy the restaurant's signature flavor right in your own kitchen. You'll find that all the ingredients are readily available, making it a convenient and cost-effective option. It's a fantastic way to elevate any salad, bringing a touch of Italian-American flair to your meals. Get ready to whisk up some magic. To make the dressing, combine 1/2 cup of olive oil with 1/4 cup each of white vinegar and water in a bowl. Then, add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Don't forget 1/2 teaspoon each of garlic powder and Italian seasoning. Whisk all ingredients vigorously until they are thoroughly combined. For the best flavor, refrigerate your dressing for at least 30 minutes before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.